Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a device that's been generating a lot of buzz. The vSeeBox V5 Pro Android TV streaming box. If you're looking for a new hub for your entertainment, or simply curious about what this box offers, you're in the right place. We're going to unbox it, test it, and by the end, you'll know if the V5 Pro is the right streaming solution for you. Let's get started. Alright, first impressions begin with the unboxing experience. The V5 Pro comes in a fairly standard but sturdy box. One side of the box has the features printed. The other side has more features. Let's crack it open. Inside, we find the vSeeBox V5 Pro unit itself, neatly tucked away. Beyond that, we have the power adapter, standard fare. Then the remote control. It's a full IR and Bluetooth remote with a number pad, which is always nice to see, especially for those who might be navigating live TV apps. Included is a single removable antenna to be attached to the Android TV box. We also get an HDMI cable, which is essential, and a quick start guide. Everything you need to get up and running right out of the box. So, no surprises here, a complete package to get you connected. Moving on to the device itself. The vSeeBox V5 Pro features a rather sleek, minimalist black design. It's compact, feels solid, and won't take up much space in your entertainment center. The top has a subtle vSeeBox logo. Around the back, we have a good array of ports: the power input, an HDMI port for high-quality video output, an Ethernet port for a stable wired connection, crucial for 4K streaming, and an optical audio port for connecting to older sound systems or receivers, an AV port to connect to a TV, and this is where you connect the included antenna. On the side, we find two USB ports, perfect for external storage, game controllers, or a keyboard and mouse. There's also a microSD card slot for further expandable storage. The build quality feels decent, mostly plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. The remote, as mentioned, is quite functional. It has dedicated buttons for power, navigation, volume, and a full number pad. It supports both IR for basic functions and Bluetooth for a more responsive, point-anywhere experience, and also voice control if supported by the OS. There are also dedicated buttons for YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney+. It feels comfortable in the hand. The included instruction document provides product details and step-by-step initial setup process. There are also troubleshooting tips if you encounter issues. I keep getting asked about this ring. This is an Ultrahuman Ring Air which tracks my health and sleep, connects to my phone via Bluetooth, and guides me to follow healthy practices via phone app. If you're interested to know more, there is a link on the screen for the Smart Ring review. Setting up the V5 Pro is simple. Plug in the HDMI, plug in the power, and you're greeted with a standard initial setup wizard. Follow the instructions on screen to pair the remote control to the TV box by pressing and holding the OK button and the volume button at the same time. Now, select your preferred language and go next. Scroll and select your preferred display resolution and go next. Here you can scale the display to fit your screen and then go next. Select your local time zone and go to the next page. You can use Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection for internet access. I'm connecting to Wi-Fi for testing purposes. Once the internet is connected, you'll get a disclaimer notice screen which says that the vSeeBox does not come pre-installed with entertainment applications. The responsibility lies on the user. Select Agree, and the settings have been completed. Select OK, and the vSeeBox home screen interface loads. This is a customized version of Android, often referred to in the tech world as stock Android or a tablet-style interface, rather than the official Google TV or Android TV interface. The home screen has tile-based icons with preloaded applications like Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, AirScreen, and Miracast Receiver. The apps Heat Live, Heat VOD, VOD Ultra, and Backup by Heat did not come pre-installed in this TV box. I can't show you how to get or install these Android box streaming apps due to YouTube guidelines, but I will explore the external apps as part of my product testing process. Please comply with the law and regulations of your country when it comes to content access or use. If you need to contact vSeeBox customer support, the contact details and QR codes are provided here. For internet browsing, Mozilla Firefox browser comes pre-installed. If you need to check your internet connection speed, you can do the test here. At the bottom are the settings icons. System Settings allows you to configure various Android-related settings and device preferences. Launcher settings have app groups, parent settings, startup app, upload log, update launcher, reset launcher, and wallpaper. Software Update gives you options to do a local update or online update. Hotkeys allows you to customize the colored hotkeys on the remote control. You can select an app to be launched for each of the keys. System Info shows very basic info, and Memory Cleanup cleans and optimizes memory to improve system performance. Navigation is generally very smooth, thanks to the hardware. The use of the Bluetooth voice remote, compatible with Google Assistant, makes searching quick and easy. Now let's look at vSeeBox V5 Pro hardware specifications. It is manufactured by vSeeBox, and the model is showing correctly as V5 Pro. It comes with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, however it is reporting a lower amount here. Bluetooth 4 Plus is supported in this device. The CPU System on Chip, SoC, is an Allwinner H313H616. It has a 4-core ARM Cortex-A53 processor running between 480 to 1512 MHz. For graphics, the GPU is an ARM Mali G31. It supports the OpenGL 3.2 standard. The installed Android is version 12, also called Snow Cone with API level 31. The Android security patch date is a little old now. This device is not rooted. The Mali G31 integrated graphics processing unit supports Vulkan API, which is a low-level, low-overhead, cross-platform API and open standard for 3D graphics and computing. If you use a VPN for privacy or geo-unblocking, this Android TV box supports major VPN apps. I installed a well-known VPN application, Bitdefender VPN. I personally use Bitdefender VPN, and it has proven to be very reliable. With unlimited VPN traffic, I could stream live TV, movies, and TV shows as much as I want on this TV box. Bitdefender VPN has a list of servers from all around the world. I have provided a link in the description and comments section in case you would like to check out or get Bitdefender VPN. The V5 Pro has access to the standard Google Play Store, where you can download apps like YouTube, Disney+, and others. However, the main attraction for most buyers is the streaming entertainment apps options, specifically Heat Live and Heat VOD. I can't show you how to get, install, or activate the Android box streaming apps due to YouTube guidelines, but I will explore the external apps as part of my product testing process. Please comply with the law and regulations of your country when it comes to content access or use. I will skip showing the app installations and go straight to the apps to test. Heat Live is the live TV channel streaming app, and the video quality is pretty good for a Wi-Fi connection. When you open the channel guide, the TV channels are organized into various groups, making it much easier to find specific types of shows to watch. When navigating the channel categories, each one loads the channels listed under it. This app provides more than 2,000 TV channels. Although I did not test all the channels, the ones I tested loaded relatively fast. Compared to other boxes I tested, I do feel that the channels load quicker. Using the channel search function and the on-screen keyboard, you can easily find any available live TV channel. If you would like to search using voice, press the mic button on the remote control and speak. The history group lists the 10 recently watched channels, which makes it easy for you to go back and watch. The favorite list has all your bookmarked TV channels, another way to quickly get to your favorite channels. At the top menu bar, if you navigate to menu, you get your account details. Here it mentions unlimited lifetime subscription. Here is the software version, and here you can set a lock password. The next app is Heat VOD. The app's main screen has icons for movies, TV series, help, and watch history. When you select movies, you will see this screen interface with movie category selection on the left and the listed movies on the right. There are more than 42,000 movies available here, and it is frequently updated. You can navigate the categories, and the movie list under them will change accordingly. Under the filter option, you can filter movies by year and genre. The list can be sorted by movie rating or release date. Or, you can also select search. Here you can use the on-screen keyboard to search for movies. The movie list refreshes dynamically as you type. On my Wi-Fi connection, the movies load reasonably fast and playback is smooth. The next section of this app is the TV series. Similar to movies, you will see this screen interface with TV shows category selection on the left and the listed shows on the right. There are more than 14,000 TV series available here, and it is frequently updated. You can navigate the categories, and the TV series list under them will change accordingly. Under the filter option, the choices are similar to movies. And search functions the same as movies too. Under both movies and TV series, you will find favorite, which lists all your bookmarked movies and TV shows. And history keeps a list of what you have watched. We have seen the Heat Live and Heat VOD app. Now let's see the VOD Ultra app. VOD Ultra is for movies and TV series, but there is a difference which I'm going to show you. This is the home screen for the app, with history, search, and favorite functions. The interface is similar to Heat VOD, with search function and ability to filter movies by year and genre. The difference is the side grouping is based on different streaming platforms. When you navigate the group names, the list of movies from the streaming service is listed. If you look at each category's total movies and add them up, that's a lot of movies to keep you busy. The TV series page has a similar interface and groupings by streaming services. You can also select and expand the selected service to show the genres. This narrows down the choices under a streaming service. Heat Live Backup is another app for live TV channels. It has TV channel groups and a list of channels under them. I tested some channels here, and they streamed without any issue. I have now covered these apps. What do you think of the vSeeBox live TV and VOD streaming apps? Let me know in the comments below. DRM, or digital rights management, is a way of protecting contents from piracy. To stream and play full HD or 4K quality videos from services like Netflix, Disney Plus, or Prime Video, the device needs to have DRM security level L1. This Android TV box is certified for L1, so you can stream full HD or 4K quality videos from those protected services. If you need a Netflix, Disney Plus, or Paramount Plus account, you can get them at a discounted rate at this website. There are also many other subscriptions at discounted prices. Check out the link in the comment or description to enjoy the discounted prices. Let's see the overall verdict on the vSeeBox V5 Pro. If you are a cord cutter whose priority is the wide-open, customized content ecosystem, specifically the Heat Live and VOD apps, and you consume most of your licensed content elsewhere, the V5 Pro's excellent hardware makes it a fast, stable, and powerful choice. Also, if you are primarily a subscriber to Netflix, Disney Plus, and Amazon Prime and must have your content in HD or 4K, this is the box for you due to its Level 1 DRM support. With 4 GB memory and 32 GB storage, the vSeeBox V5 Pro delivers on performance and its promised ecosystem. What do you think of the vSeeBox V5 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. That's all for this review. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.